I remember one time I went to a beer festival with some friends. It was great, as always, if you've ever been to one. Lots of microbrew and foreign beers and stuff like that. And I'm not necessarily really into that stuff because I have no sense for food and the tangible realm of things. I tend to go straight into ideas and connecting patterns, intuitive stuff. So after the beer festival, we went to my friend's punk concert. And, I'm used to going to a lot of events, but reggae concerts and things like that. But punk music was quite a bit outside of my comfort zone, which is always nice. It's a good thing to do. And before we entered, though, a dad, his wife, and his son walked by, and the dad said, "Stay away from foreigners. They're dangerous." And, I assume he didn't expect me to speak or understand any Japanese for that matter. But I got angry, and I actually started yelling at him in front of his kid that he's not teaching his child good lessons. And I played right into his model of reality. He essentially created me to play the role of a character in his drama, in his life. And, after all that happened, I went into the club and continued in my own ways, on my own story arc, and he did too. And I wonder what role he played for me in my life as well. Have a great day. Goodbye.